The video is an introduction of electrochemistry. So, there will be something in electrochemistry between electricity and chemistry, and that's what exactly we will discuss here. Electrochemistry deals with the interconversion of electrical energy and chemical energy. There are two ways that chemical energy and electricity can interact. Here's the first one. Certain chemical reaction can create electricity, and that's what exactly happen in battery. In battery, chemical reaction takes place spontaneously which create electricity. So that's the first one, relationship between electricity and chemical energy. Example is galvanic cell. The second one is that electricity can make up chemical reactions happen that will never happen without electricity. We will look at the example of both of these situations. First of all, what electricity is. In a very simple term, electricity is the movement of electron. If the movement of electron is electricity, so the reaction that creates electricity involves the movement of electrons. These reactions are called oxidation reduction reactions, in which movement of electrons occur. It is also simply called redox reaction. In these reactions, electrons move from one atom to another atom. One is oxidized and the second one is reduced. The first one, lost electron, is oxidized, and the second one, which gain electron, has become reduced. If we separate these two atoms by a wire and the electrons move in that wire, so we will get electricity. And that's the first one case in which chemical reaction takes place spontaneously and create electricity. The second one is that atoms do not give off electrons spontaneously, and we use battery to pull the electron from one atom and push them to another one. And that's what happens in electrolytic cell. So here's the first one, that how chemical reaction takes place and create electricity, and in the device in which chemical reaction takes place and create electricity is called galvanic cell. I uses zinc metal and copper to create electricity. If we put zinc metal near to the copper, the electron will naturally move from zinc to copper because copper has a higher tendency to gain electron than zinc. So in this case, the zinc will lose electron, and these electrons will move through this wire to the copper, and the copper will gain these electrons, which is lost by zinc. If we put light between this, we will see that it can create electricity. The zinc will lose electron and oxidize, while the copper will gain electron and reduce. It is a spontaneous process and it happens its own. The oxidation will occur at the anode, and that the zinc will be anode, while the reduction will happen at the cathode and the copper will be a cathode. Now let's look at how we use electricity to make up reaction happen that will never happen without electricity. And the device in which chemical reaction happen by using electricity is called electrolytic cell. Here's how it looks like. In this cell, the reaction occur is also oxidation reaction. It means that in this reaction the movement of electron also occur. Now look at the diagram. We will use NaCl, sodium chloride, in a molten form to understand that what will happen in it. We use battery to pull the electron and push them to the other one. When we pass electricity from molten NaCl, it will change to the negative chloride ion and positive sodium ion. The chloride and sodium plus ion and chloride minus ion will move to their respective electrode. The chloride minus ion will move to the anode plus electrode, while the sodium plus ion will move to the cathode minus electrode. This is because opposite charges attract each other. So, at the anode, the chloride ion lost one electron. Actually, the electron is pulled by the battery and pushed them towards the cathode, where the sodium plus ion gain that electron and change to sodium atom. In this case, the battery pulled the electron from the anode and pushed them towards the cathode. That's for the today's lesson. I hope you will learn something. If you enjoy the video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thanks.